So guys, the facelift of Honda Amaze was recently launched and this is the VX variant of new Honda Amaze. The actual price of this variant is 9,10,000 rupees, and to know the exact on-road price in your city, mention your city in the comment box, we will get back to you. A special thanks goes to Cherish Honda PRASHANT VIHAR. You may see the showroom details on the screen right now, and you can contact them if you are from Delhi NCR. You can get the best of us by giving our reference. And now let's start with the car. In today's video, we will be checking out what are the changes in the exterior and interiors and how many features you get in this car and why this is a good car for you. You are watching Motor Marvels English. Let's begin. Let me show you the keys of the car first. You get two digital keys in this variant, and on them you get controls for lock, unlock and remotely opening the boot of the car. On the back you get the Honda logo and some piano black elements. This is how the car looks from the front. This is a very good looking car, and in the facelift, since the grille has been changed, the look has been enhanced drastically. Now let's take a closer look. As far as the headlamp setup is concerned, you get the same top variant matrix style LED headlamps. The DRLs are given in this shape. You get LED fog lamps too with black housing. You will notice the use of chrome strip in the front look, and the front grille is given in this shape. You get the Honda logo in the middle. And now talking about the side profile, you can check out from here that from the side too, this car looks very good. Let's check out the tires. In this variant, you get tires with a profile of 185 by 60 R15. That means you are getting 15 inches alloy wheels in this car with silver finish. The ORVMs we are getting here are finished in body color. You get the turn indicators on them, and there is a hidden feature here that you get a lane assist camera for the blind spot monitoring. The door handles are given in body colors too. You get the A and B pillars of the car in black color. No roof rails are provided here. In the rear profile, you get a shark fin antenna, rear defogers, a high mount stop lamp, Amaze badging here, and the rear tail lamps are given in this shape. They are redesigned and now given in LED, which looks very nice. Honda logo in the middle. IUTech badging here. You get the reverse parking camera placement here, and additionally you get two reverse parking sensors. Talking about the boot space, we get a very good boot space of 416 liters in this car, so that you can easily carry a luggage of 4 to 5 people for a weekend. The loading lip is a bit shallow. That means it would be a task to get things in and out of the car. The spare tire is placed here. Now let's close it down. And now we will be moving towards the interiors of the car. Let's first check out the front doors. On the door you get a request sensor, and here you can place the key in case of need. The doors are finished in dual tone. You get the use of beige and black colors here. On the door you get a silver colored lock and lock lever, the controls for ORVMs with folding feature, lock and lock button, and all four power windows with auto up and down feature for driver side. You get some additional storage space here, water bottle storage space here, and a little bit of more storage space down here. The driver side seat is given with 6-way manual adjustments. That means you get height adjustment feature in this variant. and the seats are very comfortable with good cushioning. You get adjustable headrests. On the right side of the driver, you get the controls for traction control and headlight leveler. The AC vents are given in rectangular shape, and the engine start stop button is provided here. Now let's get inside the car and check out the other features. Now let's start the car and see what kind of welcome function we get here. So this is how the car welcomes you. You get a very cool animation on the screen with Honda Amaze animation. And now talking about the steering wheel, you get a round steering wheel in 3-spoke design, Honda logo in the middle, and on the left we get all the controls for multimedia. Talking about the adjustment, you get tilt adjustment here, but you cannot adjust it for reach. And now let me show you what other features we get here. On the right side of the steering wheel, you get headlight controls with auto headlamp feature, and on the left we get controls for wiper and washer. Talking about the instrument cluster, you get part digital, part analog instrument cluster in this car, with this part given in analog. This is the speedometer, and on the left we get the screen with a lot of digital information. 8 inches multimedia music system is provided here with physical buttons too, and you get all the modern features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in this car. The layout of the dashboard is given in dual tone, and hard plastics are used here. You can see the use of beige and black color. Down here, the center AC vents are given with hazard lamp button in the middle. You get the AC unit here. Auto AC unit is provided here with these toggle buttons. You get the max cool feature too. Down here, you get space to charge your phone wirelessly, and 2 type A USB ports are given here and a 12-volt power outlet. You get 2 cup holders here, some use of beige color elements here, and a normal manual gearbox. 5-speed gearbox is provided here. A little bit of storage space here, a normal manual handbrake, and some space to place your water bottle. No armrest is provided here. Checking out the glove box, a normal size glove box is provided here, but it serves its purpose. Talking about the IRVM, you get a manually adjustable day-night IRVM in this variant. The cabin lamps are provided in halogen, and on the co-driver side you get a vanity mirror, and a vanity mirror is also provided on the driver side. You get grab handles. These are folding grab handles, and you can see some of the safety features of the car on the screen right now. And while you are seeing that, I will be adjusting the driver side seat according to my height, and for reference my height is 6 feet, and we will be checking out how much space we get on the rear seats. The rear doors are given in totally blacked out finish. Just the lock unlock lever is given in silver. And now talking about the space, even if a driver of my height is driving the car, a person of my height can sit comfortably. Since I am getting plenty of knee room here, the leg space is also very good. Under thigh support is decent enough. Only the headroom could be better here. Other than these, you get 3 fixed headrests for the rear passengers. In the middle, you get an armrest with 2 cup holders. 3-point seat belts are provided here along with ISOFIX child seat mounts. You get a rear AC vent unit here with the 12-volt power outlet down here to charge your devices. Other than that, you get a cabin lamp for the rear passengers too, and grab handles are also provided. I'll be taking the video outside the car now. And here comes the big question, why you should consider this car. So if you are buying a sedan in a budget of around 10 lakhs, this is a very good option for you, since you are still getting a 4-cylinder very reliable Honda engine. Other than that, the elements used in this car are of very high quality. The fit and finish is very good, and the space and comfort you are getting here is also good. The boot space is good, and It is very comfortable to drive. So overall, it comes with a very good package. So this was a quick video from our side on the Honda Amaze VX variant. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. You are watching Motor Marvels English, and we will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.